Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the garment with a security tag. Start by verifying proof of purchase immediately. You should find a receipt, bank record, or order confirmation on your phone and make sure it matches the item's details. Once done, keep the tagged item in its bag and note the store's address and hours. If you bought online, have order number and payment method ready. These documents prove ownership and are the legal key to getting the tag removed by staff. Next, contact the retailer's customer service or the specific store where you purchased the item. Explain calmly that the security tag was not removed at checkout and provide the purchase details, time, receipt info, and payment method. Make an appointment or confirm when staff can assist you. Many stores will detach tags at the service desk. If bought from a third-party seller, contact them or the marketplace for an authorized solution. When you go to the store, bring your receipt, ID, and the card used for payment if possible. These speed verification. Hand the item to staff and let them remove the tag with their approved equipment. Do not try to cut, pry, or use chemicals because that risks damaging the garment or causing injury. If the store is closed, keep the item secured and return during business hours. If staff refuse help despite proof, ask for a manager or contact the retailer's customer service for escalation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.